And to get a better understanding of this new tech board, let's compare it to some others in the Chinese stock market. The main board targets large enterprises, while firms seeking initial public offerings or IPOs need to go through a special approval system. Next is the SME board, a marketplace for small and medium-sized companies with growth potential. And for fast-growing startups, there's ChiNext. It aims to attract innovative and high-tech firms. And the country's over-the-counter market is the new third board. Launched in 2013 with the aim of serving small and medium-sized companies, it also supplements the Shanghai and Shenzhen stock exchanges. And finally, the new tech board on the Shanghai Stock Exchange will support tech companies that have made breakthroughs in core technologies. And listings are based on a registration system that is considered to be more efficient than the other boards.